Hello, today we're going to go through a quick unboxing and review of the K&F Concept lens filter. This lens filter is for 72mm lenses. It is meant for still shot pictures in not viewing through the eyepiece of the camera. So if you get this lens filter so you can watch the eclipse later on this spring, you are going to want to use your digital viewfinder or display field. You do not want to look through the optical viewfinder. This is not meant for that, and you could hurt yourself. With that out of the way, basically, this is for people's lenses. It attaches to the end of the lens, and it filters out almost all of the light, allowing you to take pictures directly of the sun and safely take pictures of the eclipse that'll be happening on the 8th of April. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the container here. It's a nice little easy container, just a baggie. Like it does come with 3 cleaning cloths, individually packaged. So these are going to be helpful. It is a nano coating film that they put on here. It's supposed to be scratch resistant, waterproof. That being said, I don't think you're going to want to be touching this much with your hands, things like that. The box is very tight and very well made. And I did hear that it came with a fantastic carrying case to help protect it. Again, it has a nano coating on it, but because you're going to be looking at the sun with it, because you're going to be aiming your lens directly at the sun with it, the last thing you want is any damage on this lens, because you're going to damage your equipment. You're not going to hurt your eyes because, again, you're not looking through the optical viewfinder with this lens, but you will be, damaging your camera lens, which is an extremely expensive mistake to make. Well, I can tell right now, just by grabbing it, it's machined aluminum. It has that sound, it has that feel on it. It is threaded both on the outside and on the inside, so it will fit on your lens. And if you needed to put either a polarized lens cover on there, or if you wanted to put a clear protective cover on here so you could help protect this, avoid getting scratches on this side, definitely something you could put on there. They have a very thin cover, or a layer of foam in here, and then the case has rubber or silicone grips on it. That way, when you put your lens in here, it will find a spot and it won't be sliding around. So as soon as I seal this back up, it's good to be put into your camera bag, good to be put into your storage. Yep, and it definitely seals nice and tight. Just spin it. It comes to a very hard stop. Again, this lens is for taking still shot pictures of celestial events. So you could, I believe currently today's date is February the 18th, 2024. My understanding is that there is a very large solar storm occurring on the sun right now. So you could definitely take pictures of that if you had the right lens. And then with the solar eclipse coming up here in just a couple months, this will be a fantastic thing to take you from the very beginning of the solar eclipse all the way through the very end. So, you'll have plenty of opportunity to take pictures safely without damaging your equipment. Thank you much for watching this video. If you feel up to it, please subscribe to this channel. It's brand new. I'm still finding my way, still feeling my way through the equipment that I'm getting for this. I do plan on releasing more videos. It's going to be a hodgepodge of videos at first, but sooner or later they'll be mostly around either taking your own pictures and putting them into laser engraving, wood burning, CNC milling, or my personal hobby, which is woodworking. Again, thank you much for watching the video. Have a nice day.